guys, welcome to my channel. I am just making a quick video about cat treats. I just got them in the mail. I don't know if you guys watched my video a couple weeks ago where I unboxed my Essential Rewards order, but these were on back order, so they came late. So they just came in the mail today, and we're gonna feed them. We're excited. We're gonna feed them to the kitties. I'm interested to see if the cats like them, and they also might take a little bit of adjusting, you know, because we just use like those like Temptations cat treats or something like that. So they may not like them. They might. I don't know. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna open these up really quick. Yes. And we're gonna smell them.
Smell them. See what they look like and what color they look like.
What they look like, what color they look like. I'm really interested. They smell like cat treats. I mean, it just smells like cat food. Like, basically, that's it. It says, Animal Sense cat treats are formulated with naturally derived grain-free ingredients and flavored with ginger oil to provide a delicious reward for your furry friends. A portion of all proceeds from Animal Sense products goes to support Vital Ground, a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting the habitat of grizzly bears and other wide-roaming wildlife.
Grizzly bears.
It contains no wheat, soy, corn, or artificial colors or flavors. That's pretty cool.
Let's try it to them.
Let's try it to them. Whoa. Cuties! Did you want some treats? Oh yeah, see, here's Rascal. Did you want treats?
This is Rascal.
This is Rascal. Dacha, did you want some treats? Typically, they come running. There's Dutchie. Did you want some treats?
That's Dutchie. Right over there, my parents' home.
Rascal's like, yes, I want treats. You kidding me? Oh yeah, here she comes. She's like, oh yeah, she's getting down on the ground. Mom means business. Okay, Cadence, do you want to feed it to them?
Yeah.
Okay, Cadence has the bag, kitties. So let's give them just a few each, a couple each, and we'll see. Just set it down. There you go.
Rascal's silly.
Let's see. See what she thinks. She's sniffing it out.
What the?
Come on, just let him explore.
What the?
So Duchess is into it.
Duchess? Not eating one.
Did you make sure that Rascal had a few in front of her? Well, there she goes.
They're eating. They're eating it.
Oh, they're fighting for that one.
Oh, Rascal got it.
Wait.
Dacha,
Do you want more?
we have more treats. Do you want some more treats?
Let's give Rascal a couple more. Rascal's into it.
Here you go, Rascal. Dacha, I have some more treats for you.
Was that yummy?
These treats worked out very well.
They're like, we like them. Rascal's like, is there any more? Is there any more over here? I smell it. I think I smell it. I'm just really hoping that I find some more. I really smell it. I really smell them. Smell it, Dutch. Don't you smell it? Don't you smell it?
Soup.
All right, so that was fun. I am excited about that. That's a big bag. I really didn't think that the bag was going to be that big, so I'm actually impressed. We buy like the $2 bags at the store, and they literally last us like a year.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of them in here. Like, that's a lot of treats.
Oh,
That's a lot. Thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.
click that bell.
Click that notification bell. I make a new video every Friday. Like this video if you liked this video, and I will see you guys next week.